Hello and welcome to Weathertainment. I'm Jeff Matthews, and I encourage you to share the site with your friends, not only on Facebook, but word of mouth as well. Help it spread around. Hey, spread the wealth, my friends. 3 goals of Weathertainment: best forecast money can't buy, educational component, way to make you smile. 3 weather headlines to tell you what's up, Doc, for the next 5 to 7 days. First, we check whether you need the umbrella. Not until Wednesday. It's your next best chance. How about jackets and coats? Temps are going to remain 5 to 10 above average on through Tuesday. So Wednesday's a transitional day, and it leads to a significant temp drop in 1 week. Let's have a look and see how big. 70s for the next 4 or 5 days compared to 65, which is the average, and slowly going down. Breezy conditions for Tuesday and Wednesday of next week as the front rolls in, brings rain on Wednesday, and much cooler temps. Now keep in mind, this is interesting, even with that drop-off of about 12 degrees from Tuesday to Thursday, if that turns out right at 65, by the time we get there, the average will be down to about 62. So we're still going to wind up being slightly above average. Here's partly why. Jet stream, river of wind, 30,000, 40, 50,000 feet, steers most weather systems around. It also defines the cool air to the north of it from the really warm air and humid air to the south. So if you're here, you're cooler than average. If you're here, you're warmer than average. And not just because you're further south, but because you're to the south of the jet stream position. It's also carrying rain that in yesterday's case was down here. Now it's up here. But it's not moving in our direction, it's moving to our north and west. And since we are to the south and east of it, we stay unseasonably warm until this pattern transitions across the country. So this storm is never really going to get here. This one may, though. Areas of high pressure guarding us is a weak cool front that moved through this morning. All it did was reinforce the dry air and knock temps down about 5 to 7 degrees. But that high is progressive. It'll move off. This one's going to sit and percolate over the northeast. Eventually it'll weaken Saturday, Sunday, and Monday as it moves through the Gulf of Maine. And that will allow this cloud cover to seep northwards by Saturday into Pennsylvania, by Sunday into New York State, and bring a heavy cloud cover from Monday into Tuesday. But I think it's going to wind up wasting most of its moisture trying to saturate the atmosphere here because it's so dry. So for today, the high moves through, reinforces the cool, dry air, but this high sits and percolates on through the weekend. Here's your almanac. I said 75.50. It turned out 77.48. I'm a happy camper. Daylight, look at that. Sunrise is almost 7 a.m. and it sets early now at 6:53. 12 hours and 2 minutes of daylight, and your forecast is next.
Welcome to Intermission. Yeah, Intermission.
So here we go. Partly sunny for this afternoon and mild compared to average with not much wind. Tonight, gradual clearing, cool, low around 49, but the average low is about 45 now. And then for tomorrow, just like my eggs, sunny side up, light and variable winds and a high of 72. The next 7 days ahead, a little cloudier on Sunday, especially in the afternoon as those clouds seep up from the south, but still rain-free. So partly sunny today, sunny tomorrow, partly sunny Sunday, mostly cloudy for Monday and Tuesday, becoming breezy Tuesday into Wednesday, next rain chance Wednesday. Have a great Friday afternoon.